So today I went to the Sula Farmers Market and I got a whole bunch of white flesh peaches because those are my favorite. Here are the rest. And today I'm going to show y'all my recipe for a peach. It's kind of like a play on a peach cobbler. Well, I guess it is a peach cobbler in a way, but I only use white peaches because those are what I like. So I got 4 good sized peaches, and I'm gonna chop them up and add some ingredients. All right, so this is what the peaches look like when they are sliced. And then I got some cinnamon, vanilla, brown sugar, and some butter. I'm gonna saute them in the butter and then add these ingredients. All right, so I put a generous amount of butter in the bottom of a skillet. This is just a cast iron skillet that I have. So I put the butter in there, and then I'm gonna add the peaches. So this is what the butter looks like when it is melted, and this is a salted vegan butter. So that's what I use. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw the peaches in here, and then add my brown sugar and cinnamon as well. And then I didn't do all 4, I just did 3. So I'm gonna put my peaches in there, and then what I'm going to do is just load the heat down, and then I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. And I don't add cornstarch tonight. I know some people add cornstarch, but I like to keep mine a little on the lighter side. And this is white brown sugar. So add some of that. Then I'm going with the cinnamon. You can use apples. I have peaches, and I kind of want a peaches, so. And I'm not adding nutmeg. I hate nutmeg. I know, I just cannot stand it. Oh, this smells so good. So that's it. I'm gonna let these soften up. I'm gonna cover it with the lid, and then when it's almost done, I'm gonna add the vanilla. This is the topping that I'm gonna use. I usually make it myself, but I did find this pre-made one or pre-packaged one. You just add whatever fruit you want and butter. So I'm gonna do that, and that's how I'll top it. All right, so the peaches have been cooking down. I went ahead and added some vanilla. Now in this bowl, I got a little bit of coconut milk mixed with some spelt flour. I'm gonna just add it in here just to thicken it up a little bit. So like that. Okay, and in this bowl, I just got some of that topping and some more of my vegan butter, and I'm gonna just kind of press it together with the fork. All right, now my peaches are ready. That's what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in this Pyrex baking dish. And then I'm just gonna add my crumb topping to it. Okay, and here you have it. This is the finished result, and the crumb is crispy. Now you can let it go longer, but I'm not. But